welcome to my channel Atanu Khatwa. Today I am discussing about Pakistan women's tour of South Africa women's. Already South Africa women's lead in a ODI series by 3-0. So here I am discussing about T20 series, but totally different lineup for the South Africa women's in a batting order in a T20. So you have to understand it. So first of all we discuss about the forecast pitch report one by one. So here I come to the forecast. So first of all, the forecast will be fair weather, but 2% chance of rains and wind blows from 5 km per hour. So now coming to the pitch report. Pitch report, it's a batting friendly pitch, but in women's match we were not scoring high. So here total 14 international matches played and batting first on 7 and most probably batting second on 6. So there is no difference between batting first and second and only one match tie. Average score is 140 to 150 expected. Okay, now here I discuss about the forecast and pitch report. Now coming to the head to head battle. Head to head battle, last 4 matches we see the South Africa women's own 3 matches already in a ODI series recent and otherwise the last match that happened in World Cups. Then South Africa women's also won by 17 runs by Pakistan women. So so here in the favor of South Africa women's, as here is the home of South Africa women, so obviously they are very strong side. So head to head battle, obviously you can think about there will be 90% winning chance for South Africa women's and 10% winning chance for Pakistan women's. So here I comes to South Africa women's probable 11. I discuss here with a batting order and also in their bench strength one by one. So here I come for South Africa women's probable 11. So South Africa women's, there one thing I clear to all in ODI series, we all see that Bulbert coming to open the innings, but here is totally different. Here come leisurely and hopefully Tanzmin Brits coming to open. Okay, then coming to I think Sony Lewis she will come in one down, then Duprich and after next Boulevard, then Cap. So I think there will be one change happen in either Sony Lewis come one down, otherwise Cap. There is no chance for Boulevard, but we obviously got the proper batting order after the toss. I will provide in my Telegram channel. Those who are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel, and after subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon. So now coming to I am here included all the T20 international stat from 1 player. So leisurely he played 74 matches and scored 1664 runs. Tajmin Brits played 15 matches and scored 244 runs. Sony Lewis, he played 74 matches and scored 731 runs. Also he got 47 wicket. Duprich he played 103 matches. He is a very experienced player of this team. So obviously is must in your team if South Africa will batting first. Okay. Then coming to Boulevard, he played only T20 only 25 matches and scored 427 runs. Cap, she is excellent with us batting and bowling also. So she is must be a captain in our team. So there is no difference. Trisha Chetty, she also an experienced campaigner. She plays 76 matches and score 1109 runs, and also I included here how many stumps he will do. Sorry, she will do. So she 27 stump she will do. Okay, Andy Clark, and she played only 20 matches and scored 241 runs, and also she get 18 wickets. Ismail, he is the main strength bowler. She is the main strength bowler of this side. She played 92 matches and she got 99 wicket. Khaka also a experienced campaigner Malaba. And here is their bench strength: Sangase Japta, Anne Bose, Tungklip, Sukukune, Godel, and Class. You can go through all the stats here, and also I provide my article link in my description box. So those who are not understand stats here. You can go through my article also. Okay. Now coming to the Pakistan women prevalent. Pakistan women, I think they are same, coming with the same. Only one change. Yeah, Muniba Ali coming to open in the place of Nahida Khan. See, Nahi, but this time in T20 when Nahida Khan will not participate. So here Muniba Ali and Javira Khan both coming to open. Then coming to Omia Soil. Then Nidadar Alia Riaz. Alia Riaz selection of very less, but he is a experienced campaigner of this team, and she is a good record against South Africa women. So keep in your mind. Then coming to Sidra Nawaz, Ayman Anwar, Diana Biak, Anam Amin. I think if Sana or Arab Saab, both of them only one will get chance, and Nasra Sandhu. Here is the probable 11 from Pakistan women's side, and all. So their main four, I think there you can make your team by 7-4 combination. So here is the main four campaigner for this team will be Nida Dar, Alia Riaz, Diana Biak, and the last will be either Munima Ali or Jaberia Khan. These are the four main players from the Pakistan side. So here the bench strength. Ayesha Jafar, Kaiman Imtiaz, Sidia Akbal, and Ayesha Naim. I covered all the all the ODI all the T20 stat from one by one. So, okay, you can go through this. Now coming to the special tips section. This is the first T20 match after the pandemic. So one thing I clear to all, every people living T breeds. T is the best. T is the best T20 opener from South Africa side. Okay, so here he scored I think 75 run against Pakistan. So you must try him in your team. Only 2.89% selection. If she play, then must comes to open. You must try him. Okay. Then one thing I cleared to all, Bulwer 19.56% selection not coming to open the innings in T20 match. Yes, see, Bulwer coming to 3 to 4 down. If Pakistan bat first and they just score only 100 and 120, there is no need of Bulwer. She only contribute with his batting. So you have to keep in your mind. Then coming to Lizelle many times fails in first batting, but second innings must try him captain was captain. Yes, Lizelle is a destructive batsman, so many times he will fail in a fast inning. So you have to keep in your mind. You can drop him to in a Grand League team also. Dupreez, if she plays, then most probably comes to one down. Okay. Then coming to Alia Riaz. Alia Riaz has a good record against South Africa. So you must in your teams. Here I covered 5 teams and 5 important teams. No one can discuss these things. So I give you the 5 tips, but 5 important things. You can apply this in your team. Okay. Now coming to the best team. I giving 2 best team. Why I giving 2 best team? According to the toss, the match is important in women's matches. Because here the one is strong team and one is weaker team. So obviously South Africa side is very strong this time. So I'm making 2 teams according to the toss. So here is the women's matches. Toss is very important. So according to the South Africa women batting first, I giving team. Drop. They drop leisurely due to the credit issue. I think if South Africa women bat first, then their middle order will be more important. So I drop leisurely. But in the what I am saying, but in the second innings, I must in your leisurely in your team. So I must taking leisurely in a second. I give 2 teams according to the toss. You can go through this. So hope you enjoy my video and all that stat will helpful you. So please like my video, and those who are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. Please support me. After a long time I am back, and today I am feeling sick. So but no problem, I will make my video. So obviously let's see in the next video. Thanks for watching.